हाय कार्तिक, एज यूजुअल फर्स्ट अटेंडेंस दे रही है। Okay, hi guys, hi Bhargavi. Oh, hello, Mr. Businessman. So guys, welcome to the fifth episode of Intalks Poems and special guest as a show. She's a bit different because first of all she's a army officer, so that makes her special altogether at once. And till now she's reviews all internationally published, and she's the admin of a Facebook page with more than 7,500 followers, and that's something huge. Uh, she is an internationally acclaimed judge for poetry, and she helps people for their books and writing books, getting that published and all. And she's a member of a community called Planet Members, which are 7,000 and still growing poets with them. Hello, 26 Crusader. Her name is Tanushi Singh, and she'll be joining us very shortly. And we'll be discussing about poetry and stuff, how she does it, and what is the story behind her success. So, if you have any doubt or you want to ask anything to an internationally acclaimed poetry judge, you're free to ask, and she'll be answering all the questions for sure. Let's see how it goes with her. Hi Krish bhaiya. Oh, that's you. Okay, I recognize the छोटा सा photo है. So welcome bhaiya. It's nice to have you. I know you're a big man and you. अच्छा है. Hi Ashish bhaiya. Ashins. Hi Alash. So guys, everybody is here. So Tanushi ma'am will be joining us very shortly. Hi Abhilash. So the more I tell you, the more it gets.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Hi,
Good
how are
evening.
you?
Hi.
So, ma'am, I'm Sanjay Singh, you can say founder or the caretaker of small community service. I'm good, bro. I'm good. वेदर भी अच्छा है, हम भी अच्छे हैं. वेदर का तो और अच्छा हो जाएगा. तनिष मैम थोड़ा अटक भी लगता है टेक्निकल एरर.
The network, I think.
Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, there was some technical glitch, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Hi, and welcome to InTalk Symposium. एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ. There's nothing much bulky about it. It's just I have a small community called Inscribers Community, and I try to bring the best speakers I can get for the community who share their knowledge, their experience, and tips and tricks about the writing industry and literature.
Okay.
So ये एक छोटा सा community हमारा. We are somewhere around 250 270 writers. When compared to your community, we are very small. That's for sure. 7,500 plus followers. That's
Oh,
really amazing. I congratulate you on that.
thank you. Thank you so much. That has happened over the few years, yeah. Over those few years. I'm grateful for those many people following.
Mhm. I guess there's some technical error. Okay, fine. So, am I audible to you?
Yeah. Okay.
Your picture is a picture. That's it. Okay, so this is what Inscribers is, and Intalks is just a way. Lockdown चल रहा है. Everybody is sitting at home and getting bored. Because
Yes.
previously we used to conduct open happily. We used to write for a month, stock our poetries and stories. एक महीने उधर open mic पे जाके माइक पकड़े सब कुछ निकाल देते थे. So it used to feel good. Like एक अच्छा सा hangout हो जाता for the writers.
That's the best thing
And
about
now,
open mic.
yeah,
Everybody gets a platform to
yeah,
vent
that's the
out.
best.
Yeah.
लेकिन अभी कुछ महीनों से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है because obviously corona जय corona.
Yeah, this
So
year
so this
nothing,
is
सब कुछ live, सब कुछ online ही चल रहा है इस साल.
तो हम भी बस वही कोशिश कर रहे हैं. वैसे मैं बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल बंदा हूँ, बट या आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट थिंग्स ऑनलाइन, एंड आई थॉट दिस इज द बेस्ट वे कि अपने जो भी राइटर्स है दे कैन ग्रो टुगेदर,
It's
because
a
obviously
great initiative.
speakers like you. Thank you ma'am. So कुछ नहीं है, this is a chill talk.
Yeah.
We'll be just discussing about poetry. So, yeah, I'm a poet myself. मैं शेर लिखता हूँ mostly, not
अरे
into
वाह.
English. अपना English में अंग्रेजी में हाथ. But yeah, I love to write Urdu and Hindi poetries. तो कुछ नहीं, बस दो पोएट साथ में बैठे हैं एंड डिस्कशन करेंगे, दैट्स इट.
Nice.
एंड हमारे कम्युनिटी से थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस हैं, आई विल बी आस्किंग देम, यू शेयर नॉलेज, दैट्स इट. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. कुछ भी फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू नहीं है. देयर इज नो फॉर्मेलिटी बिकॉज़ इन इंस्टाग्राम आई बिलीव दैट वहाँ पे वी हैव क्रिएटिव पीपल ऑल अराउंड, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एनी स्ट्रिक्ट हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल्स.
That's true. That's true. I have not really done, this is my first Instagram live. I have just done Zoom live on Facebook. Just 2 sessions I've done. So I'm also very new to this online uh, talking and communication.
जस्ट हम दोनों टेबल के अक्रॉस बैठे हैं, वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग, दैट्स इट.
Yeah.
Yes, better that. Okay, so इंट्रोडक्शन इज डन, एंड हाँ वो थोड़ा हटा दो उसको थोड़ा साइड में.
Yeah.
Just
वही कर
submit.
रही हूँ, हाँ.
Okay, yeah, now it's fine. So ma'am, tell us about your story, like how and when you started writing. Like, what was the trigger point when you started for your poetry?
तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि पोएट्री और मैं और इतना इट्स गोइंग टू बी सच अ इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ, ये तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. आई टुक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम माय वर्क. आई एम अ सिविल इंजीनियर. सो एंड काम में तो जब रहती थी तो आई नेवर थॉट आई एवर हैव टाइम टू राइट. इट वाज ओनली आफ्टर my daughter was born that I took this break from work. And it was around 2000, it was the year 2016. I took that break from work. And now it's still, the break is still going on because I have another child. And now I have 2 children. So it's like this motherhood has given me poetry. It's like a gift from becoming a mother, I think, that has happened organically. Like I didn't plan it this way. That break from work made me feel like कुछ तो करना है घर पे बैठे बैठे. It was getting on to me because I am not used to sitting at home. I was always a working person. So sitting at home was not easy for me. So I used to journal as a child. I've always done journaling. I used to write a diary. वो सब भी break हो गया था. You know, as you grow up, you get into this corporate line. सब छूट जाता है धीरे धीरे. So, but thankfully, because I got a break from work, I started writing again. But I was not like I didn't think I have the gift of writing. As I now feel I can write aram se, like it doesn't make any effort to write. I just have to sit, and if I feel like writing, flow apne aap aa jata hai. Now that has come with a lot of practice. It's not happened apne aap. It's not happened so automatically. It happened through a community called Poetry Planet, and I owe a lot to Poetry Planet, the Facebook community that I joined. And it's like a study group, this Poetry Planet community, जहाँ आपको challenges and poetry, contest, वो जो lady है जिसने ये बनाया है ये group, वो देती रहती है. Now I'm also a part of that Poetry Planet. I also give challenges. I judge them, and वहाँ पे लिखते now the lady who handles this community offered me this voluntarily job. It's like job, but it's a voluntary job. You don't get paid for it. You're just doing it for the fun of writing. So I've now started working for them. I also post poetry contests and judge them and hand out certificates to people who have done well and all that. So this is how I also learned. I was also given certificates. I also participated in poetry contests, and I did it for a year continuously. I did. I wrote every day, and that's how I learned how to write. So now तो तब क्या होता था ना, तब मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे बैठे बैठे थॉट नहीं आ जाता था कि लिखने का मन होता था, बट ऐसा नहीं होता था कि टॉपिक दिमाग में है. अब मुझे टॉपिक नहीं सोचना पड़ता, मतलब nobody has to give me a topic. I automatically can write on my own. So that is the difference between then and now. That is the main difference. Yeah.
So I guess you answered my next question. My next question was like, how do you start writing a poem? Because some people are they sit, they think, they plan, and then they write something. And some people like me, we just get a thought and we write it out. And also
Yeah.
improvise and improve करते करते comes the poem.
So that's how it's
So
become
आपका भी
now. Now when I and acha I would love to sit with a pen and paper, but being a mother with two small kids, it's not possible. So it's on. I write on my mobile. I have this notes app करके है मेरे पास, और मेरी सारी poetry मेरे mobile में ही है. So it's quite digital. मतलब I don't have a choice, and I'm not too proud of it. I do believe pen and paper में जो मजा है वो उसमें लिखने में अलग ही बात है. But I can't do anything. So I mostly write on my mobile and post it on Instagram, Facebook. It's all on my mobile, everything. So
okay. Before you post it online, as you said, there are certain apps, your quote हो गया, Miraki हो गया, और direct
yes,
Instagram.
your quote
Okay.
is very good. Your quote,
Yeah.
I think, has a
Your
lot
quote.
of good
So
backgrounds. I use your quote a lot.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
So post करने से do you get it checked by someone, or a second opinion or something, or just
No.
one stroke and done?
What I do is I write it on your quote and I give it one day, sometimes even 2 days, if I'm not convinced with what I've written. And I post it on
Okay.
Instagram and Facebook only when I am convinced that my poetry in my head, जो मैंने लिखी है, it's over. Like I'm convinced कि जो मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ वो आ गया है उस पे. So I have to be convinced. मैं ऐसे check वेक तो किसी से नहीं कराती.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there you have a lot of years and years of experience in writing poetry. So
Yes.
is there any hard and
So there's no
yeah?
rule.
आप कुछ बोल-
In Poetry Planet, there were a lot of forms that I learned. There are various forms of poetry that if you actually go into poetry, then there is sonnet and there are so many varieties. There is limerick, matlab humor poetry. So I learned all of that. But what I enjoy writing is free verse, जो बिल्कुल free flow में जो आ जाता है. Yeah. And I like कि free verse में ऐसा ना हो कि वो prose जैसा sound करे. It should have some sort of a rhythm. Yeah, it should have a rhythm.
So, ma'am, according to you, how important it is to not just write, but to express it, recite the poems in front of a crowd, open mic sessions over, or just a recording on the phone and posting it online.
I
How
love
important it
people who have the art. I love people who have the art of speaking, that spoken word poetry. I think is an art in itself. Not everybody can say it so well. Like I've tried only once, and I didn't think I did a great job. I think I have a lot of बहुत सारे करने पड़ेंगे to really understand the art of speaking poetry well. आप लिख सकते हो, but उसी अंदाज में और उसी impact में बोलना, वो I think it's not that easy. And that's why I think these open mics should be encouraged for people like us who want to do it, because I believe it's a beautiful art if you can perform your poetry to create the impact that you want to create. I think the impact create hota hai when you say it the way you've written it. Yeah, that you should say it also like that. Yeah. So the impact फिर पता चलता है. Like I had sorry.
Please continue.
So I had spoken on a very very serious topic. मेरा first topic attempt ये Habitat Bombay में है open mic जो कराते हैं, they are quite popular. तो मैं Habitat में had gone to give my first and only open mic. It was on molestation. The Monsters Are Real was the poetry's title. Now, since the topic was so difficult, I wanted to create a good impact because it is a very it is a poem. I wanted to send a message across through the poem. That is why I also believe open mics are very, very important, because you want to spread a important message. Now, through this, I wanted to just try and tell people that molestation can happen anywhere. It can happen in your own house. That women need to be strong and brave, and self-defense is the way. If you read the poem, that is what the crux of the poem is, that self-defense karna chahiye for every girl, every lady. Yeah. So these are the kind of things I want to, very serious topics and all of that, but I think it's important. These are things which people don't really sit and talk about, but it's important to discuss.
Hi, Suraj. So, ma'am, next question is rhythm, sound, music. Like it's all related to poetry. I mean, poetry is something like rhythm plus words. That's what I feel. That's according to my knowledge. So, how much importance does it hold for you when you write a poetry? Like the rhythm, the rhymings, and all. Like, कितना ज़्यादा important होता है?
Rhyming हो जाए तो it's very good अगर rhyming हो जाए तो, but I don't make it like कि rhyme करना ही करना है वरना तो poem मतलब गड़बड़ है, ऐसा नहीं है. There can be poems which can sound beautiful without rhyming. So, but it has to have a proper flow. That flow, I think you understand as you write it. You know, as you keep practicing, you'll understand that poem में एक flow है, एक abruptness. I think you should also read out when you write a poetry. I think you should read it to yourself so that you know कि rhythm है कि नहीं है. Sometimes हम लिखते हैं, हमें लगता है rhythm है, but when you read it again, you reread it, you understand that there is something missing. So I always read my poetry before putting it online. I make sure that it has the rhythm, because rhythm for me is important. Rhyme might not be that important, but overall the rhythm should be there from beginning till end.
So, ma'am, हमारे पास from a community there are two questions.
Yeah.
Okay. First one is from Akash. So you'll get the question on your screen. Like, is it necessary कि poetry शायरी लिखने के लिए एक बार दिल का टूटना जरूरी है? Bracket में love failure. Heard a lot.
I think दिल का टूटना मतलब it doesn't have to be like एक boyfriend के साथ breakup ही दिल का टूटना होता है. The heartbreak, I think, happens to everybody. It's as common as what do I call it? I think it's very common. Heartbreak ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि किसी का दिल टूटा ही ना हो, हाँ, पूरी जिंदगी. तो बिल्कुल देवदास बनने की जरूरत नहीं है to become a poet. You don't have to become a depressed soul, I think. But yeah, a little heartache, a little bit of pain, I think we all go through, and that helps in poetry. Pain helps in poetry.
Yeah. मैं तो खुद वैसा ही वाला शायर हूँ. शायर दो ही टाइप के होते हैं. तो दिल पे क्या, दिल टूट जला. अपन दिल फेंकता फेंकता जल गया, पैर बन गया.
So, ma'am, in my life, I have had personal hardships. Yes, I wouldn't say romantically, but I've had friendships that have broken. I've had other relationships. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to have a heartbreak romantically only. You can have a lot of other problems with maybe a family member, maybe a friend, a close friend. So उसको भी heartache ही बोलेंगे मेरे हिसाब से, and उसको भी उससे भी उभरने के लिए it takes a lot of time. So yeah, personally you have to go through something. You have to go through, like for me, I think मेरी फौजी से शादी हुई है, so that is a very big factor for me to become a poet, because हमारी life ही normal नहीं है, हमें अपने husband से बहुत दूर रहना पड़ता है, and जीना पड़ता है. husband चले जाते हैं field, and उनके लिए ड्यूटी सबसे पहले है, And you know, there are so many other things that an army wife has to handle, and I think that's a very big part of why I am a poet.
Yeah, I've seen my mother. Papa Navy में, Indian Navy में. So I know how life is. He's out on national duty for months, and yeah, we are the way we are. Can't help it.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have one more question. It's from 3M Talks. 3M Talks. ये page मेरे एक friend का है. Like he's a member of our community as well. So
Okay.
he's asking, I often find myself stuck in a zone where I keep writing a lot of poems on the same topic. How to tackle it?
No, there's nothing wrong if you want to write on the same topic. You can write. I think then your अंदर से your क्या बोलना चाहिए that आपका जो मन में है वो खत्म नहीं हुआ है. That's why you're venting out on the same topic. So finish it off. I think it's great. For me, as I always say, poetry for me has been therapy. And whoever has asked this question, I think he should continue writing till he finishes and feels better, a little better. Because I think after every poem, मैंने ऐसा फील किया है. हर पोएम जो मुझे बहुत दिल के करीब है, जो बहुत पर्सनल है, इट हील्स यू अ लिटिल बिट. थोड़ी हीलिंग होती है पोएट्री से, जो मैंने फील की है कि आप यू कैन हील अ लिटिल बिट. So one poetry at a time, you can continue till you feel a lot better, and then you can switch to another topic. There is no issue with that, I think.
चलो, I guess मृत्युंजय को उसका आंसर मिल गया होगा. Okay, we have one more question. हिंदी में है. क्या कविताएं लिखने से पहले मात्राएं गिनना और व्याकरण देखना आवश्यक है?
नहीं, पहले तो आप लिख लो जो आपके दिमाग में है. मात्राएं, ग्रामर वो सेकंड बात है. पहले तो जो दिल में है, जो मन में है, वो पूरा you should just pour it down. And then comes the part of understanding the structure of whether everything has been written as per मात्रा and grammar सब सही है कि नहीं, वो secondary है. पहले तो जो आपके मन में है, दिल में है, वो पूरा. इसलिए I always say that poetry एक बार लिखने से final नहीं हो जाती. You have to go back to your poetry. You have to read it again.
Yes.
You have to see where you can make changes, make the edits, and then वो final होगी poetry with all the corrections. But उसको सोच के लिखना चाहिए. पहले तो जो है मन में वो पूरा डाल देना चाहिए पेपर पे.
Okay. नहीं, कई बार ऐसा होता है. Like it's my personal problem, my personal question. I have
Yeah.
this thought in my brain and I write it down. ठीक है, हो जाता है. But ना poem जैसा बनता है, ना शेर जैसा बनता है. Just a piece. That's it. Like कुछ लाइनें हैं, पैराग्राफ भी नहीं है पूरा. It's just a thought. And when I try to convert it into a शेर, शायरी, poetry, कुछ भी नहीं होता. I don't know why. It's like I'm not able to form the perfect sentences there. Grammatically, okay, fine. I have the grammar knowledge. I put in my grammar का मसाला और जितना literature आता है सब डालता हूँ. But it doesn't feel like a poem, and it ends up just like a piece.
Okay. So शायरी नहीं बन पाती, वो एक सेंटेंस बन के रह जाता है. Okay.
Yeah, true.
होता है, I guess,
I don't know.
sometimes. But I don't think you should just उस चीज को उसको I think you should just keep that, उसको रब करके या रेस करके नहीं रखना चाहिए. उसको रखे रहना चाहिए. Maybe sometime you can come back to it and change it, and it might turn into something else. Because finally it's your emotion, it's your thought. You should never like put it away. Keep it safely somewhere. You don't have to show it to anyone. But don't,
No.
I think whenever you write something, writing is, whatever you're writing, it's precious, you should not just discard it. उसको रखो, even if you're not sharing it with anyone.
So मैम, हमारे राइटर्स की गलियों का एक बदनाम हिस्सा है. It's writer's block, mental block, writer's block बोलते हैं उसे.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about it? Like a lot of people,
I'm
at
actually
least in my
terrified.
circle.
I'm terrified. I've heard so much about it and haven't gone through it yet. And I'm actually terrified कि जब होगा तो पता नहीं, because I'm used to writing every day now. I can't do without writing. For me, writing से मेरा दिन अच्छा जाता है. Writing जिस दिन नहीं करती उस दिन थोड़ा दिन incomplete सा लगता है. तो writer's block हो जाएगा तो I think it will be very difficult for me to go through my whole day. I think I'll just get frustrated. So, but I know I've heard people go through it, and I don't think you can force yourself to write when you're if you've gone through a writer's block. You should just like let it pass. That's all you can do, I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
ज़्यादा पावर चलता भी नहीं ना दिमाग में. We can't force a poetry. Poetry comes to us. अब
Yes,
जबरदस्ती बैठ के तो poetry.
exactly.
So मैम आपका favorite poet कौन है? Like who's your favorite poet or
So
any favorite
जब
poem?
से मैंने Instagram में join किया, I follow a lot of these Instagram celebrities. They are like celebrities only. Atticus है, Rupi Kaur है. Rupi Kaur is doing really well. In fact, she is उसका spoken. I've heard her spoken word poetry, and I was really impressed. I mean, she is beautiful. The way she speaks her poetry. I mean, there's a lot to learn from poets like her. And then there is Nikita Gill, and there's this Langleaf poet.
Right.
I really like her poetry. Again, I found her on Instagram only. She's also very popular. So lots of nice poets. Now all these poets write very simple words. Why I like them is ये कोई hi-fi English नहीं लिख रहे हैं. ये simple English लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं भी finally literature background से नहीं हूँ. I am just an engineer. I don't have any literature background. So I also write simple language poetry. And I think that's what connects with readers these days. You don't need to have some great literature background with some great vocabulary and उसी से poem अच्छी नहीं बनती है. In fact, the more simple you write, I think the better better it is. The easier it is to connect with people.
Okay. Ma'am, we have a question here from Bhagvi. Ma'am, could you please इधर आएगा देखो.
Yeah, you
Could you please talk about judge?
aspects of evaluating. Yeah, so हम लोग क्या करते हैं in our group? We give a picture or we give a word. Like I gave a word fragile, or and I told people to write on fragile 16 lines, a free verse poem. So first of all they have to write free verse. मैंने लिखा है तो उसी फॉर्मेट में लिखना है उन्हें, जो फॉर्मेट मैंने दिया है उतने ही लाइंस में लिखना है जितनी लाइंस मैंने उन्हें बोली हैं. फिर हमारा जो इवैल्यूएशन प्रोसेस होता है वो ये होता है कि हमने जो बोला है have they followed the same rules. Now मैंने word दिया था fragile. So how have they used the word fragile now in the poem? Have they made it how unique it is? The winners are usually जितना unique उन्होंने इस word को बना के एक poem बनाई है, जो सबसे ज्यादा unique होता है वो usually जीत जाता है. And हमारे poets जो जीते हैं mostly they write very simple English, but they follow the rules. They write the जो form हमने बोला है वो वही form में वही लिखते हैं. These are the main things we basically see. And of course grammar and spelling mistakes also we check. Those are not allowed. I mean जो ज्यादा mistakes करते हैं वो चाहे फिर बहुत अच्छी poem हो, बहुत अच्छी पोएम हो, पर अगर उसमें बहुत मिस्टेक्स है, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स, ग्रामर मिस्टेक्स, then they can't be the winner. So these are the things we do.
So I guess she got her answer. So ma'am, would you like to share your journey of publication, like from a normal, आप बोले थे कोई background नहीं है, you don't have a literature background, and just you felt like writing, so you, तो वहाँ से एक published author वो भी.
तो मैंने
So how?
मेरा publishing story actually, I think I was just lucky, I would say, because this international publication literally happened by chance, because I found this Poetry Planet, which is an international platform. तो ये international platform होने की वजह से मुझे जो ये जो Philippine lady है who owns this community, this study group, she offered me to publish my first book. She said that, you know, I let me do it. You're writing so well and you have your blog. तो मैंने blog अपना पहले शुरू कर दिया था before मेरी book निकली. मैंने अपना blog Facebook page Create Believe Inspire बना लिया था और उसमें मैं रोज लिखती रहती थी. तो she saw कि मैं इतना लिख रही हूँ, मैंने पूरा पेज बना दिया, लिखती रहती हूँ उसमें. She said जब तेरे पास इतने poems हैं and you keep writing and you write well, why don't I just compile it into a book and give it to you, you know. So that's how my first book happened, and she motivated me to write more, and she said that you know, she only published my second book, which was a love poetry book, Rainbow and Her Moon, which is again it's dedicated to army wives it's love poetry coming from a military wife, like how we handle pain through distance, हमें जो झेलना पड़ता है all throughout our army lifestyle, what all we go through, उससे related love poems है वो. So I think military ladies and people who are intrigued about what we feel, and general romantic people who like reading love poetry should check out this Rainbow and a Moon. It has small. It's not a lengthy. मतलब मैंने ऐसे लंबे poems, मेरा लिखने का स्टाइल ऐसा है, मैं कभी लंबा लिखती हूँ, कभी 3-4 लाइनों में ही खत्म हो जाती है, शायरी जैसी ना, छोटी सी शायरी. तो उसमें ज्यादातर शायरी जैसी ही है वो रेनबो एंड मून जो दूसरी बुक मेरी निकली है. तो मेरी इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन की जर्नी तो ऐसी थी. उन्होंने बोला कि वो मेरे लिए 2 बुक्स लिख लेंगी, तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए पब्लिश कर दी. नाउ इंटरनेशनल में क्या होता है कि आप इंटरनेशनली तो आपको कोई जानता नहीं है, तो बुक्स तो पब्लिश हो गई, बट इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मार्केट इट. अब उसको इंडियंस खरीद नहीं सकते बिकॉज वो डॉलर्स में है, तो प्राइस ज्यादा है उसकी. पेपर बैक उसका मिलना मुश्किल हो रहा था लोगों के पास. तो दैट्स हाउ आई रियलाइज कि आपको इंडिया में ही बुक पब्लिश करनी चाहिए इफ यू रियली वांट पीपल टू बाय योर बुक. If you really want the paperback to be available everywhere, so it makes sense to do it in India. You know, internationally, वो बस Amazon में है, but people won't really be able to buy it. So that's how my third book जो है, मैंने वो भी मेरी एक योगा फ्रेंड है, she is an accomplished writer called प्रज्ञा भट्ट. उसका भी Instagram में पेज है. She is a yoga teacher. उसने योगा पे बुक लिखी है. तो शी वॉज जब वो बुक लिख रही थी, शी गॉट थ्रू अ एजेंसी, अ लिटरेसी एजेंसी इन बॉम्बे. शी टोल्ड मी अबाउट दिस एजेंट. शी सेड ही इज वेरी गुड एंड यू शुड गेट इन टच, एंड तुम तो लिखती रहती हो, तुम क्यों नहीं एजेंट के थ्रू ट्राई करो. तो बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगा था कि कोई मेरी पोएम्स को, आई रियली डिडंट थिंक इट वाज पॉसिबल कि कोई इतना इंटरेस्ट दिखाएगा. बट बिकॉज उसने इतना प्रेशर ऐसी बातों में बोला कि दिखा तो दो, ट्राई तो कर लो. मैंने बोला चलो ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है, तो मैंने उसको भेज दिया. बट आई गॉट अ पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स एंड ही वाज क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट कि कोई ना कोई पब्लिशर मेरी बुक पब्लिश कर लेगा, एंड माय पोएम्स आर नॉट बैड. सो दैट्स हाउ द थर्ड बुक हैड डन. बिगफुट पब्लिकेशंस ने उसे पब्लिश किया. But I've realized one thing about publishing business. I'm very new to it. I'm still learning. मुझे ज़्यादा idea नहीं है publishing जो process ही मेरे लिए अभी नया है, जो इंडिया में अभी last August को ही मेरी book release हुई है. But I've realized that book आप launch कर लो, but उसकी marketing बहुत जरूरी है. उसकी marketing के बिना आप कितनी भी मेहनत लगा दो book में, book जब तक लोगों के तक पहुंचाने के लिए you have to really market it well. Which I have not done, which I have not had the time to do, frankly. I have not been able to do it for this book. But slowly I'm learning that eventually, maybe in future, the other books, और books अगर कुछ निकले, तो मुझे I think पूरी planning करनी पड़ेगी कि market भी करनी पड़ती है. You know, ऐसे नहीं मिल जाते लोगों को. Yeah, ऐसे नहीं bestseller बनती है books. Marketing is important.
True. तो मैम मृत्युंजय का एक और क्वेश्चन है. Comments on mixed poetry. What's mixed poetry? The mix of Hindi and English in a poem. कर सकते हैं ना? I guess.
कर सकते हैं, but personally I would not encourage it because मेरे को लगता है हिंदी बहुत अपने आप में बहुत अच्छी लैंग्वेज है. मतलब when I listen to Hindi and Urdu poetry, I don't think you should mix English in it. तो उसका तो पूरा वो ही निकल जाएगा, जो उसका अंदाज है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. इंग्लिश का अपना फ्लो है, हिंदी का एंड उर्दू का अपना अंदाज है, एंड आई थिंक वो अपने अपने स्टाइल्स में बहुत अच्छे हैं. मिक्सिंग इट आप कर सकते हो करने के लिए, बट इट वोंट साउंड वेरी गुड, आई थिंक.
हाँ, उर्दू का वो एक नवाबी अंदाज रहता है. That's the reason they say no write in Urdu.
I love Hindi and Urdu poetry, and वो शायरी का अपना ही अंदाज है जो लिखते हैं. जो I love reading Hindi and Urdu poetry, and I've even gone to this Urdu poetry. यहाँ पे बॉम्बे में ही मैं गई थी. पोएट्री रीडिंग था वो, स्टेज पे पीपल वर रीडिंग उर्दू पोएट्री. आई थिंक इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड मिक्स इंग्लिश इन दैट. इंग्लिश उसका कचरा कर देगा. इंग्लिश अलग ही है, उसको अलग रहने देना चाहिए.
I only got a one chance in my lifetime till now. जयपुर बुक फेस्टिवल होता है ईयरली. लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल होता है, बुक फेस्टिवल एक दिन था. तो उधर गए थे. दे वर लाइक प्रॉपर साड़ी सूट पहन के, टोपी पहन के, एंड देन दे वर रीडिंग दो उर्दू शेर्स. सो इट वाज सुन के मजा आया. आई वाज देयर फॉर लाइक 3 or 4 long 4 to 5 स्पीकर्स.
Yeah.
और एक सेकंड के लगा कि बोर हो रहे हैं.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं,
So-
बिल्कुल नहीं बोर होते. It's very good that
तो
you're
मैम
having poetry readings and open mics. ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए, I think your place will be a big hit. What you're doing is very good. ये अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, कोरोना की वजह से.
एक्चुअली मैं मुंबई में ओपन माइक सेशंस होते रहते हैं. एंड आई हैव बीन गोइंग फॉर माय 3 years. मतलब गया था मैं 11th 12th में गया था.
Okay.
Final years of my school. So when I came to Visakhapatnam, I was searching for a similar platform, but नहीं था यहाँ पे. So took me 2 years अच्छे से नेटवर्क बनाने, because नेवी का लाइफ ऐसा ही है. 3 years इधर, 3 साल उधर, 4 साल उधर.
You keep
So-
traveling. That's true.
So I joined my college as a fresher, like fresh to the city, fresh to the college. Took me 1-2 years to build a network, and now it's been 2.5 years of Inscribers. हमारे फ्रेंड्स के लिए हम फ्रेंड्स ने ही बना दिया. And luckily, I don't know, we are the city is so beautiful, and there's so many writers. Now we have 250 plus writers, और सब इधर से ही है. Like there's nobody from outside.
City Vizag.
People say Visakhapatnam.
Vizag
Yeah,
is
Visakhapatnam.
beautiful. I've spent my whole childhood in Vizag. Vizag is a beautiful place. So that's where I met my husband. So Vizag will always be beautiful for me.
Cities of Disney.
Yes.
सबके शिवानी जी बोल रहे हैं, यू राइट अमेजिंग पोएम्स. अभी वो किसके लिए है मैडम? इधर दो पोएट हैं, इधर नहीं है अभी. So ma'am, how was it like for young people? ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहता नहीं becoming an author or full time writer, like as you said, you're civil engineer थे.
See,
But in my past,
full-time job, I mean, if you're making it your career, you should have a backup career for money. Because I don't see it as you have to be either a total like bestseller, you have to reach that stage, to leave everything and just write. Otherwise, I think writing should just be a side job, not your full-time job. You should have a job for stability, financial stability. This doesn't give you financial stability.
that's a good thing. It's just a lot of people ask me, like as I started this club, but I'm not able to explain them. This doesn't give me much money. My source of income is same, right? But it's still, there are a lot of people, new people coming and asking me again and again, should we totally get into writing? I was like, no, just come once in a month. पूरा महीना आप ऑफिस जाओ, करो, कॉलेज जाओ, पढ़ाई करो, एक इवनिंग इधर चिल मारने के लिए.
That's
And
true. I mean,
right?
I have heard a lot of, I've gone to literature fests and I've heard writers speak and explain that writing as a full-time job is not easy. It's not something that you can just sit, एक दिन सोचा सब छोड़ दें और बस writing में चले जाएं because हम कर सकते हैं. You must be the person must be very, very talented, but it doesn't work that way. You can't get, आप जितनी मेहनत आप लगाओगे ना, आपको उतना रिटर्न नहीं मिल रहा है ना. Writing में it doesn't work that way. So
Yeah.
practically
Very much money.
you should work also and do your 9 to 5 job karo and then write also. You have to take out that time to manage both.
Because corporate sector. I guess there's some. Yeah.
Slow हो गया था. I couldn't hear you.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
हो गया था. Actually कॉल आ गया था बीच में. कॉल आता तो पॉज हो जाता.
Okay.
हाँ, so मैम शिवानी जी मिस, okay, she miss and writing as well. तभी आज उनके इंटरव्यूज ले रहे हैं हम। अच्छा, आप ही की तारीफ कर रही थी, मेरी तारीफ नहीं कर रहे थे। ओके फाइन,
अच्छा
आई
अच्छा
वर्क हार्ड एंड बिकम।
अच्छा, दीदी दीदी ना, दीदी मेरी तारीफ कर रही थी। अच्छा, ओके ओके।
So ma'am, my final question, like, as you are experienced poet and poetess, sorry, poetess, and published over, and you got a kitna 10 years? Approx. You started writing 2006, right? If I'm not wrong.
2016. It's just been 4 years. No, no, not too many years. Yeah.
4 साल भी ज्यादा होता है, because आजकल तो you know एक ब्रेकअप होता है and then they start writing quotes and sharing on the status and writer बन गए। तो उस जनरेशन में like any tips and tricks for the young writers like us?
So I always say that first of all, ये डाउट मत करना अपने आप को, जो है ना, लिख के फिर डाउट करने लग गए यार, अच्छा है कि नहीं अच्छा है। I mean, first thing you have to keep that self doubt. Try to curb it. Try to curb that self doubt and just write what you feel. एंड जब लिख रहे हो ना, तो ये मत सोचो कि मेरे को ऑनलाइन डालना है और लोग पढ़ेंगे, उनको क्या लगेगा। वो don't keep all that in your mind. Just write what you're feeling. Just be authentic to yourself. I think if you really write for yourself, no, it comes out. It will come out beautifully. Secondly, I think you should write. You should write. Try and write every day, because that's how I got better. I wrote every day. Without writing, without practice, without writing, you can't get better. You can't just script why am I not improving and why am I not getting better. You can only get better by writing every day, if possible. So you should try and write every day.
So then, ma'am, I guess I took about 40 minutes of your precious time, and we're honored to have you.
I
So
really
much for
loved
taking
it.
out time.
Thank you so much for inviting me. It was lovely talking to you. And
चलो, then
I
we'll be winding up now. And अगर आपके किसी फ्रेंड को विशाखापट्टनम से इंस्टाग्राम को ज्वाइन करना है, so there's a very
sure,
small, very Google form in the link. They can fill it up, and I'll call up because
sure, I'll
so chit
spread the
chat.
word.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye
you. Thank
bye.
you so much. Bye.